The camera industry is currently standing at a breaking point, and the rumors flying out of Japan suggest that Nikon is about to drop a nuclear bomb on the professional market. For years, the high-resolution crown has been fought over by Sony and Canon, while Nikon purists, the landscape shooters, the studio pros, and the D850 legends, have been waiting in the shadows. The wait is officially over. Today, we are tearing into the most explosive tech release of 2026. This is the Nikon Z7 III. This isn't just a camera. It is a declaration of war against medium format and the resolution ceiling of the 50-megapixel era. If you're a professional photographer or a high-end creator in the United States, you've likely felt the pressure. Your clients want more detail, your sensors are hitting their dynamic range limits, and the competition is using AI-driven tools that make your current gear feel like a relic from the past. But according to internal leaks and supply chain reports from April 2026, the Z7 III is the answer to every prayer. We are talking about a 67.5 megapixel BSI CMOS monster that integrates Hollywood-grade red digital cinema color science directly into the raw files. Today, we are going deeper than any spec sheet, to see why the Nikon Z7 III is the only camera that matters in 2026. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the sensor. For the Z7 III, Nikon didn't just iterate, they innovated a completely new architecture. We are looking at a 67.5 megapixel back-illuminated sensor that defies the traditional laws of physics. Usually, when you push megapixels this high, you lose dynamic range. Not here. Thanks to a new dual-stream output and the Expeed 8 processor, Nikon is reportedly delivering 15.5 stops of dynamic range. To put that in perspective, that is effectively medium format territory in a body that fits in your hand. This is the D850 magic, reborn in mirrorless form. For the landscape photographers in the Pacific Northwest or the architectural shooters in NYC, this means you can pull details out of the deepest shadows and the brightest highlights that were previously impossible to recover. But the real shockwave is the red connection. When Nikon acquired Red Digital Cinema, the industry held its breath. We wondered if that cinema DNA would ever make its way into a stills-focused body. The Z7 III is the proof. This camera features a dedicated red color pipeline option in the internal menu. This isn't just a filter or a LUT. It is a fundamental shift in how the sensor translates light into color. We are talking about skin tones that look organic, rolls-offs that feel like film, and a color science that has been the gold standard in Hollywood for decades. If you are a hybrid shooter, the Z7 III offers internal 12-bit NRAW and 8K 60p video that looks indistinguishable from a high-end cinema rig. Now let's talk about the speed. High resolution usually means slow performance, but the Expeed 8 engine inside the Z7 III changes that. Nikon has introduced predictive path mapping autofocus. This uses a dedicated AI neural processing unit to predict where your subject is going to be before they even move. Whether it's a bride walking down the aisle, a cheetah on a hunt, or a car at the Daytona 500, the Z7 III locks on with a level of surgical precision that makes the Z7 II feel like it's